Welcome to a quick demo of SyncFrame. Today, I'll show you how to use this tool to create videos like this,
Margaret was sitting at her kitchen.
or this,
It's a Sunday morning, you're making breakfast.
or much more, depending on your niche. In short, SyncFrame automates the repetitive manual work of dragging, dropping, and syncing your assets to the voiceover. By simply double-clicking the timeline file, your entire project appears in your editor perfectly synced, ready for immediate export or some final creative tweaks before the last render. Let's begin. To get started, you can create an account for free with a generous amount of credits to explore the workspace. Once you're inside, you'll find 4 sections. 1. Import visual assets, which is your planned images and videos. 2. Your script segments, which is the foundation for the syncing. 3. ElevenLabs Integration. And 4. Preview and export. I will now show you my process to create a shorter video using the tool. For this, I've prepared a master prompt and also a video script. I'll be using Claude for the demonstration, but you can of course use other AIs as well. The prompt generates 3 things: your script segments, image prompts, and video prompts. I've instructed the AI to output everything in code blocks. This is key because it makes copying a breeze and allows the AI to handle much larger scripts without cutting off the text. You can adjust the word count per segment to control the pace. I personally use 8 words per segment, which results in roughly 3 seconds per scene. Perfect for keeping retention high. But don't forget that you can also add custom rules for the segment divider. You can instruct the AI to prioritize logical breaks so the cuts always feel intentional, avoiding those awkward moments where a new segment starts with a leftover word from the previous sentence. You can access this prompt in the tutorial section in SyncFrame when logged in. Once you've used tools like Autoflow and Grok Automation to bulk generate your assets, or as a matter of fact, whichever method you use to gather your visual assets, simply import them into SyncFrame. You can choose different settings such as uploading by number or file date to match your preference. Since my images are organized in subfolders, I'll upload them in 2 separate batches. Next, I'll bring in my videos, which is only 2 for this demo, and then paste in the script segments to set the foundation for the alignment. Now for the voiceover. Currently, SyncFrame integrates with ElevenLabs. Google and OpenAI isn't supported yet. To get started, you'll need your own API key. If you don't have an ElevenLabs account, you can create one for free and get 10,000 credits per month. Just make sure to check the commercial use terms for the free plan. Setting up your API key is easy. Just follow these steps. Click our direct link in SyncFrame or go to the developers section in ElevenLabs. Create a key, name it, and make sure to toggle all permission settings accordingly. This ensures SyncFrame's interface can fully function. Create the key and then copy the key ID and paste it into SyncFrame's API integration page. Once unlocked, you can use the built-in text-to-speech or our speech-to-text feature. The speech-to-text option is perfect if you prefer other AI voiceover tools. By using Scribe v2 as a transcription model, SyncFrame can extract word-level timestamps directly from your uploaded audio file. The ElevenLabs free plan allows up to 2.5 hours of transcription per month, so it's a great way to use SyncFrame, even if you generate your audio elsewhere. For this demo, I'll use the standard text-to-speech feature. Pick your favorite voice and tweak the settings to your liking. Then hit Generate Voiceover and Alignment. And when it's done, you can see a preview of your segments. You can also include auto captions in the export settings before downloading your zip file. Since I'm using DaVinci Resolve today, I'll select that as my export format, then click Export Project. Importing the timeline is the final step, and I'll walk you through it in DaVinci since it's a great free option. You can also use Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. Basically, any editor that supports timeline file imports, which for example CapCut doesn't support currently. Once you've downloaded and unzipped your project folder, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Under the File menu, select Import and then Timeline. From there, navigate to your folder and pick the timeline file. Keep the default settings as they are and press OK. DaVinci will then ask if you want to search for the corresponding source clips. Click Yes, navigate back to your project folder, select the entire folder, and press OK. This will automatically link all your video and audio assets to the timeline. If your project includes captions, the final step is to import them. This time, go to File, Import, and then Media. Locate the caption file in your project folder and import it. Simply drag and drop the captions onto your timeline. Change the style to your liking and also save it as a preset for future projects. And just like that, everything is ready. From here, you can choose to export directly, but the beauty of having the project in your editor like this is the ability to really add those final touches if you want. I personally like to drop in a few extra elements to give the video that authentic feel that YouTube audiences really value.
Tariff tensions rattling markets. The Fed holding
And remember, once again, the assets we just synced don't have to be AI generated. You can use stock footage, your own videos, or a mix of both. It's completely up to you. Ultimately, SyncFrame is about giving you the speed of automation without losing creative control. That's it for today's demo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the workspace.